As a beginner or an avid hiker, having the proper gear is essential for a safe and enjoyable experience on the trails. From sturdy footwear to accurate navigation tools, packing the right essential can make all of the difference during hikes. So in this video, we've compiled the 7 coolest hiking gear essentials available today just for you. Enjoy! Say goodbye to the frustration of dead batteries and lost connections on the trail, and hello to the game-changing Buddy Power Bank. Its compact and lightweight design makes it the perfect accessory to keep your devices charged without weighing you down. With a capacity of 5000 mAh, it can charge most smartphones with ease. Moreover, with its 20-watt fast-charging PD capability, the Buddy Power Bank will ensure that your devices are quickly and efficiently recharged, so you can keep hiking without any interruptions. This gadget can charge an iPhone 14 Pro Max and Pixel 7 Pro in around 1.5 hours. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just starting out, Buddy is the perfect companion for your next outdoor adventure. If you're an avid hiker or a backpacker, you know how crucial it is to have access to hot water in the great outdoors. Whether you need to rehydrate a meal, make a hot beverage, or simply warm up on a chilly morning, having a reliable source of boiled water can make all the difference. And that's where Camino comes in. Camino allows you to boil water with just the press of a button. It's a safe, fast rechargeable battery-powered bottle that can boil water up to 5 times on a single charge. Unlike other bottles on the market, Camino is the only one that reaches a full boiling temperature, which means you can be sure that your water is clean and safe to drink. It holds 360 milliliters of water, which is enough for a single serving, and it's small and lightweight enough to fit easily into your backpack. It supports fast charging, so you can get it up and running quickly, and the one-button operation means you can have hot water with just the press of a button. When it comes to hiking, having a reliable pair of pants is a must. So now meet the Arc'teryx Gamma LT pants, which offer quite impressive features. Made from a blend of 88% nylon and 12% elastane, these pants meet strict environmental and sustainability standards. The button closure and machine washability make the Arc'teryx Gamma LT pants easy to wear and care for, while the design is focused on versatility and performance. And in terms of weather resistance, the Gamma LT pants are designed to be a mid or outer layer with stretch. Last but not least, it's highly breathable, which means that you won't get overheated or sweaty during your hike. As an outdoor enthusiast, staying connected with the rest of the world is important for safety, communication, and navigation. That's where the Sunnybag Leaf Pro comes in. This solar phone charger is the most powerful flexible solar charger in the world, delivering 7.5 watts of power through its unique micro-solar cell matrix. It comes with one USB port that can charge a variety of mobile devices such as smartphones, power banks, tablets, cameras, or drones with solar energy. The portable solar panel is also incredibly lightweight, weighing only 0.8 pounds. And can be easily attached to a backpack, tent, or other outdoor gear with the included fastening material. Looking for a versatile and lightweight shelter to take on your next hiking adventure? Look no further than the Camino Sunda 2.0, a lightweight yet durable backpacking tent that doubles as an all-in-one hammock. With its innovative design, it offers the best of both worlds, allowing you to camp on the ground or in the air. Whether you prefer the security of a traditional tent or the freedom of a hammock, this tent has got you covered. One of the best features of it is its spacious interior. With 34.7 square feet of living space, there's plenty of room for 2 adults as well as all your gear, kids, or furry friends. Plus, with the redesigned Rainfly, setup is a breeze. Say goodbye to excess weight and complicated setup instructions. The Sunda 2.0 is quick and easy to pitch, leaving you more time to enjoy the great outdoors. Next up, we have the Lowa Camino Evo GTX, a pair of high-quality boots that deliver comfort, support, and protection on even the toughest terrains. This updated version of the popular Lowa Camino model features ankle patches that allow for more ankle flex when walking uphill, as well as new outsoles that improve the boot's rolling properties. It also boasts strategically placed cushioning under the heels and balls of the feet for better comfort. This is especially important on longer hikes where foot fatigue can become a real issue. The cushioning helps to absorb shock and reduce pressure on key areas of the foot, allowing you to hike further and more comfortably. Finally, the boots come with an innovative lacing system that ensure a snug and secure fit for hiking on uneven terrains. Carry all the hiking gear most efficiently with the MATADOR Free Rein 28 hiking backpack. With a 28-liter capacity, it's perfect for day hikes and short overnight trips. And thanks to its waterproof main compartment with internally sealed seams, you can rest assured that your gear will stay dry in any weather conditions. The roll top closure in the Free Rein 28 also features an integrated zipper closure option, which is perfect for when you need quick access to your gear or for added security when you're out on the trail. And when it's time to pack up and head home, the backpack compresses easily for travel, thanks to the included mesh compression sack. For added convenience, the backpack is hydration compatible, allowing you to stay hydrated on the go. So these were our picks for the 7 coolest hiking gear essentials just for you. Thanks for watching. Feel free to let us know what you think in the comment section, and if you enjoyed it, drop us a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.